अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल की पॉइंट्स एजुकेशन। आज हम शेयर करने जा रहे हैं जनरल साइंस के एमसीक्यूज़। तो आज की वीडियो करते हैं स्टार्ट। जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द ट्री विच सेंड्स डाउन रूट्स फ्रॉम इट्स ब्रांचेस टू द सॉइल इज नोन एज। जी, बैनियन ट्री, जिसको बरगद का दरख्त कहा जाता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इलेक्ट्रिक bulb filament is made of. Right option is D, tungsten. Question number 3, brush gets discolored in air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air? Hydrogen sulfide is right option. Question number 4, which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Right option is B, bromine. Number 5, chlorophyll is a naturally occurring chelate compound in which central metal is. Right option is option B, magnesium. Number 6, which of the following is used in pencils? Graphite, silicon, charcoal or phosphorus? Right option is option A, graphite. Number 7, which of the following metals forms an amalgam with other metals? Tin, mercury, lead is zinc. Right option is B, mercury. Number 8, chemical formula for water is. पानी का जो है केमिकल फार्मूला वो क्या है? राइट ऑप्शन इज बी, H2O. Number 9, the gas usually filled in the electric bulb is. Right option is A, nitrogen. Number 10, washing soda is the common name for. Sodium carbonate. Number 11, quartz crystals normally used in quartz clocks etc. is chemically. Silicon dioxide. Number 12, which of the gas is not known as greenhouse gas? हाइड्रोजन। हाइड्रोजन के अलावा बाकी जितनी गैसेस हैं इनको ग्रीन हाउस गैस कहा जाता है। ब्रोमाइन इज अ रेड लिक्विड। Number 14, the hardest substance available on earth is. Gold, iron, diamond या platinum? Right option is option C, diamond. ये सबसे हार्ड सब्सटेंस है जो कि अवेलेबल है अर्थ पे। The variety of coal in which of the deposit contains recognizable traces of the original plant material is peat. 16, Tetraethyl lead is used as. Option D, pattern additive. 17, which of the following is used as a lubricant? Option A, graphite. ग्रेफाइट जो है वो लुब्रिकेंट के तौर पे भी इस्तेमाल होता है। Number 18, the inert gas which is substituted for nitrogen in the air used by deep sea divers for breathing is. Right option is option C, helium. 19. The gases used in different types of welding would include. Right option is option D, oxygen and acetylene. 20. The property of a substance to absorb moisture from the air on exposure is called. Right option is B, deliquescence. 21. In which of the following activities silicon carbide is used? Right option is option C, cutting very hard substances. The average salinity of sea water is 3%, 3.5%, 2.5%, 2%. So right option is option B, 3.5%. 23. When an iron nail gets rusted, iron oxide is formed. Right option is option C, with increase in the weight of the nail. 24. Galvanized iron sheets have a coating of zinc. 25. Among the various allotropes of carbon, right option is option C, diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest. 26. The group of metals FeCONI may best called as. Option A, transition metals. 27. Heavy water is. Right option is option A, deuterium oxide. 28. The chemically ethyl mercaptan added to the otherwise odorless LPG cooking gas for imparting a detectable smell to the gas is a compound of option D, sulfur. 29. The element common to all acids is. हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन जो है वो तमाम एसिड्स में कॉमन है. 30. Non-stick cooking utensils are coated with. Right option is C, Teflon. 31. Monazite is an ore of. Thorium. Question number 32. Carbon, diamond and graphite are together called. Right option is option A, allotrope. 33. Potassium nitrate is used in. ऑप्शन बी, फर्टिलाइजर्स. पोटासियम नाइट्रेट का यूज़ जो है वो खादों वगैरह में होता है, फर्टिलाइजर्स में. परमानेंट हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर में बी रिमूव्ड बाय द एडिशन ऑफ. राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, सोडियम कार्बोनेट. 35. सोडा वाटर कंटेन्स. Carbonic acid. Right option is A. Number 36. The most important ore of aluminium is. Right option is option D. Most soluble in water is. Sugar. 38. Which of the following was to be discovered first in the chromospheres of the sun? Right option is option D, helium. 39. Which of the following is in liquid form at room temperature? Right option is C, francium. Sodium metal is kept under kerosene. Which of the following are the ingredients of gunmetal? Right option is D, copper, tin and zinc. 42. From which mineral is radium obtained? Which blend? (43) What is laughing gas? निट्रस ऑक्साइड को लाफिंग गैस कहा जाता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 44। Actinides are the elements with atomic number from right option is option C 89 to 103. The two elements that are frequently used for making transistors are silicon and germanium. The filament of an electric bulb is made of tungsten. (47) Diamond is an allotropic form of carbon. (48) In fireworks, the green flame is produced because of barium. (49) Permanent hardness of water can be removed by adding right option is option B, washing soda. 50. Marsh gas is methane. LPG consists of mainly methane, butane and propane. Air is a dash and mixture. (53) Production of CFC gas, which is proposed to be banned in India, is used in which of the following domestic products? Right option is option B, refrigerator. Balloons are filled with हीलियम. गुब्बारों में कौन सी गैस भरी जाती है? हीलियम इसका दुरुस्त जवाब है. Which of the following does not contain a coinage metal? Right option is option B, zinc and gold. 56. Which metal pollute the air of a big city? जो बिग सिटी में कौन सा मेटल है जो कि गंदगी का बायस बनता है? Right option is option C, lead. 57. Bell metal is an alloy of tin and copper. 58. Water is a good solvent of ionic salts because it has a high dipole moment. Which of the following is not an isotope of hydrogen? Right option is option D, yttrium. The main constituents of pearls are. Right option is B, calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Amalgams are. Right option is option B, alloys which contain mercury as one of the contents. 62. Which of the following is the lightest metal? इन ऑप्शंस में से लिथियम जो है ये लाइटेस्ट मेटल है, सबसे हल्का मेटल है। 63. Which of the following metals remain in liquid for under normal conditions? Right option is option D, mercury. 64. Potassium permanganate is used for purifying drinking water because it is an oxidizing agent. 65. Which of the following is an element? Right option is option D, diamond. 66. What is the unit for measuring the amplitude of a sound? Decibel. 67. Reading of a barometer going down is an indication of rainfall. मतलब बैरोमीटर की जो रीडिंग है वो नीचे जब आती है तो वो इंडिकेट करती है बारिश। डेसिबल इज द यूनिट फॉर। डेसिबल किसका यूनिट है? इंटेंसिटी ऑफ साउंड इसका दुरुस्त जवाब है। नंबर 69। 1 फैथम इज इक्वल टू 6 फीट। इसका दुरुस्त जवाब है 1 फैथम जो है वो 6 फीट के बराबर है। 60। फैथम इज द यूनिट ऑफ द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, डेप्थ। डियर व्यूअर्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। आपको वीडियो ये कैसी लगी है कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना है। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली एजुकेशनल वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुक्रिया।